how exactly did you divide your time, Yasharth? As the question student ask us, how do we manage timetable of the day? How do you study GS, current affairs? So what was the typical time slotting for the day in your preparation?
I think since we have to study, if we take into account the syllabus of geography, syllabus of UPSC, not only in terms of geography, I think there are three basic things that we have to study: your optional, your general studies, and your current affairs.
Okay.
So I divided my day into three parts. The first part was reserved for geography because I was specifically focused on my optional, and I realized in the morning you have the maximum amount of energy, and that energy amounts of starts to fritter down when you reach the fag end of the day. Second thing that I read was second slot was reserved for general studies, and the third slot was for my newspaper reading.
Okay.
Newspaper reading, I was fixed. I had given 3 hours for my newspapers. I was reading 2 newspapers, Indian Express and Mint, and I used to read them 1.5 hours each newspaper. So it turned out to be around 3 hours.
Okay.
Before those monthly magazines came, compilation came, and I decided to modulate everything. Barring the 3 hours that were fixed for my newspaper reading, general studies I had no fixed hours. Geography also I had no fixed hours left, depending upon how much do I have to prepare, because my preparation was solely revolving around the test that I was giving. So if I realize that tomorrow a test on geomorphology is pending and I still have to cover a large percentage of syllabus, so I might study geography for 6 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours on a stretch, taking breaks here and there.
Okay.
So I will reduce the amount of time I'm studying for general studies, like let's say for 1 hour, 1.5 hour. Okay. But if I say a general studies test is upcoming, so I'll reduce the time for geography to around 4 hours, and increasing the time for general studies for, let's say, to around 3-4 hours.
Okay.
But at the end of the day, I will say one thing, that almost 50% of my time was spent studying geography.
Okay.
And remaining 50% of the time was divided between
GS and
current affairs, because I realized that geography was my strength. So I wanted to get a hang of geography because I had 251 in my second attempt, and I realized that by getting scores like these, I will never be able to at least get the service of my preference, which is IAS. So I realized that if I have to get IAS, I will have to work on my optional. So in the morning, at least for 4 hours, I used to study geography on a stretch. There was no break in between, because after 1-2 hours, you get into a flow.
Okay.
And in that flow, whatever you read, probably you'll retain it for a longer period of time. That's what I felt. Some days I used to study geography continuously for 6-7 hours, and some days were simply devoted for geography. I was studying geography for 8-10 hours. Okay. And the remaining 2-3 hours were for newspaper reading. So more or less that day was divided into 3 hours. On an average day would look like I would get up at 8, around 8, and 8:30 I have to be at the study table.
You had a proper timetable on a daily basis?
No, not proper timetable. These slots were very much flexible. So how many hours I'm studying in a geography, I used to decide that very day.
Okay.
How many hours I'm
But you did have a broad idea about क्या पढ़ना है, क्या नहीं पढ़ना है.
Broad idea तो ऐसा, broad idea क्या पढ़ना है, that was fixed. That was depending upon कि किसका टेस्ट अप्रोच हो रहा है. अगर जियोमॉर्फोलॉजी है तो obviously डेविस पेंक, एल्सी किंग पढ़ना पड़ेगा. क्लाइमेटोलॉजी है तो जेटस्टीन पढ़ना पड़ेगा. But on an average अगर 8:30 बजे मैं पढ़ने बैठ रहा था, so I used to study for long hours and then take a break of 1 hour. आधे घंटे का ब्रेक मैं नहीं लेता था कि 2 घंटे पढ़ने के बाद आधे घंटे का ब्रेक ले लिया, फिर 2 घंटे पढ़ लिया. अगर मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ तो लगातार मैं 4 घंटे पढ़ लेता था, 5 घंटे भी लगातार मैं पढ़ लेता था, लगातार 6 घंटे से टफ थिंग.
Bulk time distribution rather than small slots.
मैं बल्क में पढ़ लेता था. Then I used to take a break कि 1 घंटे का ब्रेक ले लिया, 1.5 घंटे का ब्रेक ले लिया. बट मोर और लेस ऐसा होता था कि 8:30 बजे अगर मैं पढ़ने बैठ रहा हूँ तो एटलीस्ट 1-1:30 तक मैं ज्योग्राफी पढ़ता था. आफ्टर दैट आई यूज्ड टू टेक अ ब्रेक फॉर 1-1.5 आवर एंड देन 2-3 घंटे जीएस, देन अ ब्रेक फॉर 1 hour 1.5 hour, देन करंट अफेयर्स. बट सम डेज ऐसा भी हुआ है कि 8:30 बजे पढ़ने बैठ गए तो 3 बजे तक ज्योग्राफी पढ़ रहे हैं. तो हमेशा 1, 2, 3 के बीच में ही मैं ज्योग्राफी एंड करता था. तो हमेशा जो अगर 12 घंटे भी मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ तो 6 घंटे was for geography. The remaining 6 hours were divided between current affairs.
So there was nothing magical in this. It was hardcore work. Okay, I can see 6, 7, 10 hours of work more or less. Okay, it was based on some sense of what is more important priority. Okay.
Yes. मैंने इस बार प्रायोरिटाइज कर दिया था कि मतलब आई वर्क ऑन ज्योग्राफी. ये तो डिसाइडेड था. इसलिए अब क्या होता है कि समटाइम्स व्हेन यू आर स्टडीइंग जनरल स्टडीज इन द मॉर्निंग, टाइम ही नहीं बचता है ज्योग्राफी पढ़ने के लिए. तो मैंने कहा कि ज्योग्राफी पहले स्टार्ट करके मतलब यू आर डन विद ज्योग्राफी इन द फर्स्ट हाफ ऑफ द डे, सो दैट एटलीस्ट ऑप्शनल पेंडिंग पे नहीं जा रहा है. तो ये मेरा मतलब कॉन्शियस डिसीजन था कि इस बार फोकस करना है ज्योग्राफी एज एन ऑप्शनल.
राइट.
और तो वही वही मैंने बेसिकली किया। और दूसरी चीज़ थी कि दो चीज़ें तो डेली करनी ही करनी है। जनरल स्टडीज़ मिस भी हो जाए चलता है, पर एटलीस्ट 4 से 6 घंटे जोग्राफी एंड 3 घंटे न्यूज़पेपर। दिस वाज फिक्स्ड, दिस वाज। और मैं रेगुलर रहता था। अब ये लोग पूछते हैं कि हाउ टू स्टे मोटिवेटेड। आप अपने शेड्यूल को फॉलो करिए। अब शेड्यूल बिल्कुल फिक्स मत रखिए। अब लोग करते हैं क्या है कि इतना टफ शेड्यूल बना लेते हैं कि देयर इज लैक ऑफ ब्रीदिंग स्पेस,
Yes.
एंड देन वो एक दिन नहीं फॉलो कर पाते तो वो डिमोटिवेट हो जाते हैं, 2 दिन फिर और नहीं फॉलो करते हैं। सो मेरे साथ भी ये हुआ, ऐसा नहीं है। तो मैंने यही किया था कि आप फ्लेक्सिबल रखिए। किसी दिन 1 बजे तक पढ़ लिया, किसी दिन 2 बजे तक पढ़ लिया, किसी दिन 3 बजे तक पढ़ लिया। तो ये फ्लेक्सिबल था। और
The focus was कि कुछ टारगेट्स मीट करने हैं.
हाँ, कुछ टारगेट्स।
Okay, the study is the primary thing. So I think there's a lot of learning here. Okay, I think fixed strategies don't work. The strategies will keep changing. The strategies will keep getting modified as per the requirements. It also depends on whether tests are coming or not. Are you more inclined towards finishing a topic of GS? So, but the focus has to be keep on studying.